Hi everyone. Let's begin our lesson. Today, what will you do? Of course, today we will do a lot of exercises for present simple. Yeah. Балалар кішкене қиын болғандықтан present simple-ға мен 3 сабақ арнап тұрмын бұл жерге. Именно present simple-дың positive және negative sentence-терін, яғни болымды және болымсыз сөйлемдеріне. Сондықтан осы сабақта сіздер жақсылап тұрып жаттығуларды істеп үйреніп алыңыздар. Now, present simple, yes, you know, and this present simple, and today we will do a lot of exercises, and first it's vocabulary verb phrases. You know that I gave you to learn a lot of verbs to learn by heart, and you should use all of these verbs in your speech. And at first, you can see a lot of words, yes, French, dinner, cigarette, in a flat, yes, and below these words you can see verbs: cook, drive, speak, read, smoke, wear, live, go. Яғни балалар қараңыздар, сіздер басында көптеген сөздерді көріп тұрсыздар. Көбісі зат есім бұл жерде, иә, зат есім деп айтуға болады. Ал соның астынан сіздер жетістіктерді көріп тұрсыздар. What should you do? Of course, you should complete these verb phrases first with a meaning. First is cook dinner. Яғни балалар мағынасына сәйкестендіріп, сіздер оны толықтыруларыңыз керексіздер. Now at first you should to stop your video and you will check when you do this exercise. You will check with me. Yeah, you will turn on your video and check with me. And that for now, yeah, cook dinner. Yeah. Drive a car, speak French, read a newspaper or magazine, yeah, smoke a cigarette, wear glasses, and live in a flat, go to the cinema. I hope that you did this exercise without mistake. And vocabulary irregular plurals. Complete the chart. Яғни балалар сіздерге алдында сабақты үйреттім. We have a lot of irregular plurals, yes. We don't add s, es in the end of these nouns. Яғни балалар біз сіздерге айттық, что зат есімдері бар, которые біз s немесе es жалғанбаймыз. Sometimes they change to another word, yes. Sometimes they don't change, but we don't add s, es. Яғни балалар кейде бізге оған сөздеріміз ауысып кетеді, немесе ол бізде сол бет өзгермей қалады. Now let's look at this chart. Now there are two types of the nouns, singular and plural form, and you should complete this chart. At first, man, singular form. What is the plural form? And children, plural form. You should write singular form. Person, singular form. Yeah, you should write plural form. And women, plural form. You should write singular form. Stop your video and check with me. Yeah, you can see that man, we say men. Child, children. Person, people. Woman, women. What should you do? You should complete these sentences from the words in the chart. Яғни балалар кестедегі сөздермен бірге қолданып отырып сіздер осыны толықтыруларыңыз керексіздер. Жақсы ма? Мына жердегі сөздерге. Yeah, now stop your video, and after it we will check together. Her mother is a very nice person. Because why person? Because mother is a singular form. For this we should use person, only one. I have 2 children. Because there are 2. Yes, 2, we should use plural form, 2 children. And my first child is 6 years old. Each child это балалар бір баланы айтып тұр. Өйткені менің бірінші балам деп айтып тұрмыз. 6 жаста. Яғни егер менің бірінші балаларым десеңіздер, это мағынасымен келмей қалады. Many British people drink beer, men and women. Why people? Why not person? Because you can see the word many. Yes. Көп деген сөзді, көп деген британский, көп деген десеңіздер, сіздер никак person да қолданамайсыздар. Это көп деген адамдар, көп деген. Men and women. Next sentence 4. Yeah. Don't go into those toilets, David. They are for women, not men. Яғни балалар аударған кезде кішкене осы жерден оқушылар қиналып қалады, айтады, Давид ана жердегі туалеттерге барма, олар әйелдерге арналған, еркектерге емес. Yep. I hope you did exercise without mistake. In this task, what will you do? Of course, it's grammar present. You should use circle the correct answer. Maybe it's positive sentence or negative sentence. Yes. Балар дұрыс вариантты қоршаймыз. Now, the first, for example, the first task. A lot of British people go or goes to the cinema. There is a word people. People деген қалай еді, балар? Бұл жерде people деген сөз тұр. You should pay attention for this word. Яғни бүкіл назарларыңызды осы people-ға қарауларыңыз керексіздер. People это адамдар. Көп. So that we should circle go. Yes? Go дегенді қоршаймыз. Now, stop your video. After it, we will check this task together with me. Now, sentence 2. They don't smoke. Okay, sentence 3. We read. Sentence 4. They don't like. Yeah, they don't like. Sentence 5. You leave. Sentence 6 is my father doesn't cook. Yeah, in Britain, cars stop. Why stop? Yeah, of course, cars in plural form, and so that we should use stop. 8. The women do. Women, тоже әйелдер, көпше түрі do. 9th sentence, my mother watches. Yani mother, it is a singular form, so that we should use watches. And your children eat. Children, plural form. Hope you did these exercises without mistakes, and it was easy for you. Now, this exercise we will do together with me. Yeah, now you should complete these sentences. You should open these brackets and put all of these verbs in correct form. Яғни балалар тақшаның ішіндегі етістікті ашамыз да дұрыс варианттарға қоямыз. Now, for example, I and smoke, yes, and you see that not smoke. You should use a negative form. Yes, I don't smoke. And sentence 2, my mother. Now, you can see that there isn't not, and so it should be positive sentence. Yes, my mother. My mother. Сіздер ешқандай not көріп тұрған жоқсыздар. My mother. It is the singular form, and so that we should write studies. Yes, studies English. Okay, and now sentence 3, they, and you can see not and go, and so that we should make a negative sentence. For they, we use, of course, don't go to pubs. Next sentence is for. Next. And she балалар қараңыздар. Has ба? Әлде қалай еді? Yeah, of course. Has 2 children. Okay. Next, 5. Restaurant. Ресторан. Нешеу балалар? Yeah, it is singular, and singular form you should use clothes. Next 6. It is negative sentence. You can see not. We don't have a garden. Next 7. Her father. Балалар осы жерде қараңыздаршы, тоже балалар шатастырып жатады. Her дейді да, оның папасы негізі. Бірақ балалар ойлайды, что мына жерде 2 адам деп. Her да и father дейді да, сосын алады маған балалар оны don't жазады. Сіздер мына жердегі папа ғана, оның папасы. Как это 2 адамға жатпайды, бұл жерде именно біз папаға туралы айтып тұрмыз. Her father doesn't work. Next, in this task, now we will describe and tell about this man, and his name is Steve. Yes, you should describe him. Look at this this picture from the 1 to 8, 9 or 8, and now let's start to tell about Steve. There are a lot of information, yes, about him. At first, the first picture, he smokes, he does yoga, he lives in a flat, he drinks beer, he eats spaghetti, and you can see this picture, and he doesn't watch TV, yes, and he drives a car, he wears glasses. Yeah, and I hope stop your video and tell about him and check with me. Yep. And the next picture, now let's check with me. Yes, Simon plays tennis, and he lives in a house, not in a flat. Yeah, and he drinks wine, and he eats spaghetti too. Maybe he eats curries and and he watches TV. Yeah, he drives a car, he wears glasses too, and the last picture, he doesn't smoke. Hope that it was easy for you and you described it very well. It is the time to finish our lesson about present simple, and now you should learn these new words by heart, and let's repeat after me these new words: popular, and incredible, typical, not typical, atypical, and fantastic, terrible, not terrible, terrible, just, everywhere, really, too, a lot of, and many. These words you should learn by heart. And question time. Girls and boys, you should answer all of these questions. I hope that you will do it. It will be easy for you, and hope you will answer. Do you smoke? And now, the next task at home, you should write a positive or negative sentence for each picture. Каждый балалар ненің астына, сіздер картинканың астына сөйлем құрауларыңыз керексіздер. Мысалға, first picture, I don't smoke, and picture number 2, you should use one verb and continue to do this exercise. There are maybe 9 pictures. You should make sentences for each picture. And your homework: learn new words and answer all the questions and make sentences using the pictures. Yes, I hope this lesson was ойбай, подожди. Не деп, мынау сабақ қандай болды деп айтуға болады. Все, давай айта салайын. I hope that this lesson was interesting for you and useful for you. See you next lesson. Goodbye.